Hi guys, welcome to Adota Farm. Like in last 3 days I've been talking about how to formulate your fish feed and how you can go about getting the right formula, getting the right stuff, and step-by-step guide things that I've been discussing since all these days. Many of you might be asking questions that why am I not dropping the amount of the items I'm using in these videos? Why am I not dropping it? Don't worry, today's video I'm summarizing everything and I'm going to drop the formula one after the other for you. In case if you have interest in this fish feed formulation, I want to teach you how to formulate your feed, so I want you to be good in this aspect. So today I'll summarize everything and I will drop the list of the items for you one after the other. I will drop it for you, starting from how to make your fish feed step-by-step guide, then to how to formulate your 3mm feed, and today also. So I'll be dropping the list of the items for you so that you get it right. In case if you try it and it works for you, you'll be very happy to tell me that yes, the formula works and I really love it. So now you guys might be surprised that why am I sitting down today, why am I not standing up? I've just finished one work, like we grounded this particular feed, we have finished the feed. So right now I just want to show you the video that we have finished the grounding and the stuff. So now it's remaining for us to pelletize the feed and start drying it, and then people will start buying it. And today you see from before I start this video, you can see that I show you a bag whereby there is a dry fish inside. The reason why I'm emphasizing on this dry fish today is because I just want to tell you that the feed that we produced yesterday, which is the 3mm, there is fish meal inside. So that was the reason why you see I fetched the fish meal and you see it. So the reason why I feed the fresh meal is because we want the fish to have many nutrients. We want the nutrient content in it to be much, because the fish, they are like 3 weeks, so they are still very small fish. And like I said, we produce 3mm for them. They can't swallow the 6mm, so we produce 3mm for them. So their protein content must be high. In case if you have a fish in your farm, like in case if you have juveniles or fingerlings in your farm and they are still very small, you need to give them a quality fish. Their protein content must be high, it must not be low. If their protein content is high, then it will help your fish to grow very well. So that was the reason why I showed you the fish, the dry fish. I fetched it and I want you guys to see it. From there, that is when we pour it on the ground with maize, with soya beans, with corn brown, with wheat. Then we ground it. After grounding, that is when we mix it. So you see. So that is when you start grounding it and start pelletizing your fish. Like yesterday, we talked about how to produce your 3mm. So you are going to see the end product of how we produce it, and when the feed is dry, I will show you. Then I said, like I said in the end of this video, I will give you the feed formulation. I'll give you the percentage of how you can calculate your fish meal. So I'll give you the percentage one after the other. Even from the first video, I'll give you the formula that I used. The second video, I'll drop the formula, and the third video, which is for today, I'll give you the formula. So today I'm summarizing everything. So that is how we go about formulating our fish feed. So these are the main steps that we used to take: getting the items, combining them together, mixing them, then grounding them, then start pelletizing them. That is how we do it all the day. So if you want us to produce your fish meal for you, please do well to contact us. Like I'll be dropping my number at the end of this video, so do well to contact me. We can produce it for you. And if you want only just the items or the stuff, I'll give you the formula. You can go and formulate it whenever you want to formulate it. So it's better for you to know it and to be doing it yourself than all going to the feed company always. So if you know it, like I said yesterday, it's going to reduce the amount of money you spend in your feed. Then you are going to you will be good in this aspect. It's important for you to know it yourself than people telling you every day about how to complete your fish feed. So I just want to make today's video short. So today I'll just give you the list of the items of how you can combine your feed together to produce the best feed combination of your fish. So please, you can do this channel and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it to subscribe.